This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 31L is a Class C RV. It is located in Rancho Cordova, California, 95742 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Sacramento. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Chateau 31L is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.